These two mistakes could be the reason why no one is responding to your job application. As a hiring manager, madalas nasa thousands yung job application na nare-receive ko tuwing may posting kami. Pero to be honest, I don't read them all. Madalas nga wala pa sa 100 yung kailangan kong i-review, then the rest is auto-delete na lang. So I'm going to cut this video into two para hindi masyadong mahaba. So in this video, pag-usapan muna natin yung unang reason, which is using generic templates. Gets ko naman na gusto mong maging efficient, gusto mong madaming ma-applyan. Sa bagay, mas madali nga naman yung mag-copy-paste na lang ng template, diba? Pero if you ask me, that's completely pointless. If you're just copy-pasting the same exact message sa lahat ng job applications mo, paano ka mag-stand out? Remember, quality is better than quantity. And I even received an application from the same candidates na magkaiba yung job posting, magkaiba ng role, pero same exact message yung sinend. Wala man lang inedit kahit konti. So ask yourself kung ganun kababaw yung effort mo, paano kasi seryosohin ng mga clients na ina-applyan mo? So remember, templates should only serve as a guide and not your entire message. Kung gusto mo pansin, you have to customize it specific for that job post. Make it relevant. Make it sound like you actually wrote it for that specific role. So in the next video, I'll talk about the second mistake, and this one is much more common than you think.